Right, so let's go for desert safari. I'm ready and let's see how it all goes. Come with me. Right, are you guys ready for this? Check this out. So we have just stopped on the way to safari. Cap is gone off. Arabic gear is on. All I need is just a falcon and I'm ready. I think we need a falcon here. So this is the car. We just had a stopover and I just got the headgear and check the views. It's all sand. That's what Dubai has to offer. Sand. More sand. Guys, so this is the scene, first stop for quad biking, and as you can see, quad biking, you have to get the quad biking from here, quad bike, and then off you go to the quad biking. So let's see what the scene is. I've never done a quad biking before, so it's completely new territory for me. Quite nice, having a good fun. It's really crazy. I can't believe I'm doing this. It's not me. Wow, got to do it. This is fun. Oh God. Look at this. To go, the safari. This is a safari experience. You have to try it once in a lifetime. It's quite nice. Right guys, this is the view. Hope you're enjoying the sunset. I'm going to do a round tour so you can experience the desert situation. This is the desert safari. Quite cool, like it. Nice sunset.
Skin, you can see it beat, intoxicating your energy. First time in so long you felt the heat, evaporating your bindings. Move like the sunlight, darkness can't hold you here. Bold and bright, push through the atmosphere. This is your dawn, this is your break. Move like the, move like the, move like the sunlight, darkness can't hold you. I know the sadness that cripples you. It comes in waves and out of the blue. But there are days you feel freedom too. Bask in the glorious lightning. Move like the sunlight, darkness can't hold you here. Bold and bright, push through the atmosphere. This is your dawn, this is your break. Move like the, move like the, move like the sunlight, darkness can't hold you here. Bold and bright, push through the atmosphere. This is your dawn, this is your break. Move like
liking the views, and you can see what the desert safari looks like. So I was a bit hesitant, not sure whether I should do it or not, but then I just said, you know what, let's do it. I'm not going to come to Dubai every single year, you know, I'll explore different places, but I just thought I'll give it a go. So it's not disappointing. It's quite nice views, really liking it. So that's the scenes. UAE.